Hi folks, today is November the 4th. It's currently about 9 o'clock in the morning. Just got in the trade room here. They haven't had any calls this morning so far. I have a meeting in about 10 o'clock this morning, so I'm going to leave about 9:50. Hopefully we'll get our trading done before that point. If not, I'll just pause the video and come back in after I get back, and we'll see what the final score for the day was. Alright, so with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and pause it, and I'll be back with you guys once we get our first call. Alright guys, we have a Euro US dollar 5-minute call.
It's back up 6 pivots, 4 pivots, 3 pivots.
Let me bring this up real quick, 1 second.
The Euro US dollar 5-minute call at 150 is currently 7 pivots, 1 pip lower. Euro US dollar 5-minute call. And at 150.
Alright, I got in at 157. Currently price is at 160. Alright, we have about 4 minutes to go here, so I'm going to go ahead and pause it and come back to you guys in about 4 minutes. Alright guys, we're about 30 seconds out now. Market basically broke through the level that he had where he was using to make this call. So we're going to have our first trade of the day as a loser, and we're basically just going to have to see where or how it goes from there. Alright, so that trade was a loss.
Okay, we got bamboozled there. Jeez, we really called a breakout. See this dollar index was right down here. Got an uptick. Apparently we could not send the euro.
There it is right there.
Through its range. Now look at this.
Trying to use this as a level of support. And it just broke right through it. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and pause it, and I'll be back on the next call. Alright guys, we got a dollar yen 5-minute put. Got in at 634. It's currently at 630. 628.
Duncan 634.
Alright, so I got filled at the same price as Duncan.
Duncan, what is your current?
Some people got 640, 639, so yeah.
People got in the,
Some people got much better fills than I did here. Alright, down to 618. I'll be back with you guys momentarily. Alright guys, down to about 15 seconds now. Market's been bouncing around our entry price here. We need to go down. There it is. There it is. We need to stay down now for another 2 seconds. Get down, get down. Shoot. Let's see what it looks like. Depending on where you got in on this one, it was a winner or a loser.
okay, looks like 613 expiry.
So a lot of people got winners out of that. A lot of people got winners, but my
2.5 pips. So I think everybody should have been within that range.
yep, I lost by a few pips. See what everybody else is reporting here. So like I said, it really just depends on where you got in on that trade. Because I got in at, where is it at here? 634. And you can see most of these people, they got much better fills than me. 639, 640, 644, even 636 would have enabled somebody to take a win out of that. 635 most likely would have as well.
Oh, wow. Wow, the euro really rebounded on that drop. I did not look at this euro. That was pretty strong. Gee, Christmas. Despite the dollar.
All right, that's pretty annoying.
I like the pound dollar to fill this gap up. The euro are big pretty much, so just kind of wait on that.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and pause it, and I'll be back with you guys shortly. We'll see what happens here. All right, guys, I am back. It is now 11:54. Had a meeting about 10 o'clock. Ran over a little bit, but as you guys can see here, what we're looking at. Let's see what they did in the room. I hate they don't have the time in here like they used to in the previous room. Okay. Alright, so I remember I took those 2 trades. They ended up being losers for me. And then they had another trade here. Here it is. People showing where they got entries at. Just broke through support. That's not good. Gonna take a miracle. That means something bad happened. Alright, well, 0 wins, 3 losses in the room for this guy here, for Drew. Just like me, he ended up losing that winner that a lot of the other people had. So all 3 trades would have been losers today. That is not a good thing. This actually, hold on folks, phone's ringing. Alright, sorry about that. This actually puts our win-loss rate to 27 wins, 21 losers. So that's what, 48 total trades. We had 21 losers. That is right around 57% win rate. And with binary options, we need, I think it's like a 66% win rate to make money or somewhere along those lines. And like I said, that is just for the morning session. I can't speak for the next session, which starts at 12:30, or the Asian session or the London session. So this is just for, you know, this one morning session for I think it's, what is it, 9:30 till, no, it's 8:30 until 11:30, I believe it is. So you guys will have to decide for yourself if you think the system is worth jumping into. There is also, like I said, $100 a month fee that goes along with that. So for me personally, for the small amount of money that you would most likely make, it just wouldn't be worth it, in my opinion, to use the service. But like I said, there might be a better chance at making money in some of the other sessions, and not knocking the service itself, but just for me personally, just from what I've seen, I don't think I'll continue with it, and I honestly wouldn't recommend it. So with that being said, this will be the last video that I do. Again, the new win rate is 27 wins, 21 losers for the morning session, for a 57% win rate. Anyway, that's going to be it for this, and I will see you guys in the next videos. Take care.